Alright, hello Dad in 4K. I am in Spencer, North Carolina with the Norfolk and Western 611. I'm going to start from the back. This is the tender. As you can tell, compared to me, this thing is very large. It's bigger than I thought it would be in person. I don't know if you can hear that, but they're shoveling more coal. I'll take this up into the cab in just a minute. This is part of the water injector assembly. Probably see some sparks falling in there. They're trying to get the fire going. Takes a couple hours. This is these are the wheels and the drive rod. The wheels are about as tall as I am, or taller. So they probably weigh a lot. I'd have to look up how much the counterweight is, but as a total, the engine and the tender weigh about 1 million pounds. These things are all roller bearing, so they grease themselves. They don't have to stop for grease. They only have to stop about once every 500 miles. This is the piston. Each one of these pistons makes about 3,000 horsepower. I could probably fit inside of that piston if I tried. As you can see, the bottom part of the piston is the part that actually pushes this massive rod that then pushes the drive rod and the rest of the wheels. But the top part is the valve. That's that one in there. That is driven by this machine, by this complex assembly of reciprocating rods that go around this. So as the train moves, this smaller rod moves this rod back and forth, which moves this rod back and forth, which pulls back and forth on the valves up here. There's the belt hidden. That's one of the water pumps. Here's the front of the locomotive. It is massive. As you can see, they're blowing smoke right now because they're trying to draft the fire out. There's Gigi over there. Come around to the other side. There's the water pump. The J stands for J-class. There's the other piston. This one, they're offset by, I think, 90 degrees. So this one's farther out because the wheels are in different positions. That's so it doesn't ever get stuck with both drive rods in neutral positions. This is the generator that's running the compressed air for to draft the fire out, because the steam pressure isn't up yet, so they can't draft the fire out until they get the steam pressure up, and then they can run it off steam. That's the speedo gear that leads in that pipe all the way up to the That's about it. This is the coolest thing ever.